Yes, yes, yes. We are live. We are live. My name is Big Ben. Welcome to my channel. If you're new to the channel, I want to say welcome. If you don't know who I am, my name is Big Ben and I am swing trade cryptos. Okay. So if that's something that you want to learn more about, definitely hit that subscribe button. Today we're going to talk about, is it a good time to buy cryptos? And we're just going to go over the charts and what I see, different things like that. So shout out to everybody that's coming through the chat later on. Okay. I hope you guys got a notification, because for some reason I didn't get one. I usually get one on my phone, but okay, now I got one, which is weird. But anyway, so let's get this party started. During this live stream, I'm not giving nobody financial advice. This is entertainment only. All right. If you are new to the channel, you're tired of losing, guys, there's money to be made. All right. You don't have to wait for a bull market. There's money to be made right now. And if you're not making money right now, you're missing out. All right. So if you don't know anything about that, definitely hit that subscribe button. Of course, no, during this live stream, I'm not giving no one financial advice. I believe I said that already. But you can, if you're watching this live stream right now on a replay, you can go to settings, go to speed 1.5 or 2 to actually speed up the video. So let's get this party started. Let me give you guys a round of applause, people that's coming in. All right. So let's see if I see anybody in the building so far. All right, Alex, Fetch, crypto trader. Shout out to everybody coming in. I'm quite sure more people will be coming in soon. All right. So let's see what's going on, Alt Joseph. All right. So let's go to CoinMarketCap real quick. Okay, let's refresh this. All right. So the market cap is at 221 billion. Okay, the dominance is pretty much at 52. Like I said before, I believe the dominance will continue to stay at 50% or go up even higher this year. The volume itself is still low. We are at 5 billion. Actually, let me click on this real quick. I just want to see the overall volume. All right. Let me click on that. Okay, yeah, so it's still low. And we did have a spike at 6 billion, but like I told you before, guys, the last time I saw that pattern, I didn't like it. Okay. We shouldn't be increasing volume while the market is going up. It should be, we should definitely saw a lot of volume at the lows, but we didn't. So overall, the market cap and the market itself is still the same. Nothing really changed. So my view on the market hasn't changed either. So let's see if I see anybody in the chat room. What's going on, Joseph? All right. What's going on? I can't even pronounce that name. But AE, I'm gonna call you AE. So today is Friday. It is the afternoon. So I don't expect, a lot of people to be on this live stream. But, we're gonna get into some stuff, and we're gonna talk about what I see on the Bitcoin chart. Okay, so overall, the question of the day today is it a good time to buy XRP or TRX or Bitcoin or Litecoin? Is it a good time to buy it? Because I went to YouTube today, and I see people, they seem like they never learn, but people saying, oh, this is the bottom. Guys, this is the bottom, okay? And they pointing out, a lot of people are pointing out these lower lows, okay? So they are pointing out the lower lows right here, okay? Like I said before, it's amazing how some people just don't learn. It's amazing how some people just don't learn. I mean, they've been trying to pick out the bottom the whole year, and it seems like, you know, these guys like to lose money. But, you know, these lower lows right here don't mean anything, because the overall picture is still pointing down. All right. We still didn't break up to the high. We still didn't go up. And even if we do go up, we have a lot of resistance right here. All right. I talked about this yesterday on my live stream, that it's a possibility Bitcoin could do some crazy up move where it decide to go up one more time. Cnbc, everybody and their mother is going to be calling the next bull run, and then it's going to be some type of fake out to go back to the downside. All right. And that, you know, that's a possibility. I'm not saying that's going to happen. I'm just saying that's a possibility. But right now, as we speak, the whole overall market is still bearish. So these lower lows right here, we saw lower lows in the past too, and we still went down. Okay, if you go to the left, what's going on, guys? If you go to the left, right, you see a lower low right here, right here. So if you go this right here, guys, we had lower lows right here again. Okay, we had lower lows in the past again. So that's why you have to understand who to listen to in the crypto world. You know, some of these guys are very good at, you know, talking, very good at reading the news, very good at getting you amped and hyped. All right, they are very good at that. But at the same time, these guys don't know what they're talking about. Okay, so those lower lows don't mean anything. Me personally, I want to see this bad boy go up. Okay, I'm not in the business to predict the bottoms. To me, that's a very, very dangerous game. Guys, there's so much money to be made versus trying to pick the bottom. Okay, imagine you decided to say, you know what, let me learn how the market works. Let me see if I can actually play the swings. Imagine how much money you can actually, how much money you could have made versus, or you know, instead of actually just trying to pick the bottoms. Okay, because if you try to pick the bottoms this year, you didn't make no money. That's the whole point I'm trying to, you know, say. Okay, anybody that this year that tried to pick the bottom didn't make any money. Okay, they still stuck in their position. Now, the people that basically been taking advantage of these swings, no matter if the market was going up or down. Okay, so, you know, most people, well, for me, for the most part, I'm taking advantage of the swings that's going down. But some people are taking advantage of the swings that's going up and down. Okay, but if you could take advantage of these swings in the market, you would, money wise, you would be, you know, in a better place. Okay, now we can actually go back to 2014, and I just want to show you that for you guys that, you know, are trying to pick the bottoms, for you guys that's trying to pick the bottoms right now, I want to show you something. Okay, all right, because the information that you're getting right now is just literally, it's the worst information ever. I honestly, I shake my head every single time I go on the I go on YouTube and see these crypto YouTubers. Okay, so this is 2000 and basically 2014 all the way down to 2015, when the bull market started, and we started to go up. All right, so you have to understand, guys. You have to understand that if you're picking bottoms right now, that's a losing game, because no one knows the bottom. No one knows the bottom. Okay, don't never let no one trick you and you know, trick you to make you believe that they know the bottom. Okay, no one knows the bottom. Okay, so keep that in mind. So the next thing I want to show you is it's best to wait for a confirmation before you try to buy any type of bottom. Okay, and if you look at last year, not last year, but 2015, when we was going up. All right. And hold on, guys. For some reason, this thing is not working. Hold on. For some reason, this is not working. So let me see if I can refresh this thing, because I actually went on my other computer. I went on my other computer and hold on. Let me click this, and let me go to my live. Okay, now this is working right here. Let me pop this out. All right. So it should be working right now. My chat thing wasn't working. It was stuck. I don't know why, but whatever. All right. So don't know why my computer is so slow right now. This is a brand new computer. It is fast. Maybe my internet, I don't know. But anyway, let me go back. Hey, what's going on, guys? So so this is the chat that I'm looking at right now. Cool. All right, so let's go back. So 2015, guys, right? Let's say that you was playing a game that allowed you to, you know, sit back, take advantage of these, you know, Actually, let me see. Let me change this to, you change this to 100. Okay, take advantage of these swings right here. Okay, so if you was, you know, a professional that basically say, you know what, I'm looking at the major trend. I'm not a guy that's going to, you know, be emotional and follow the crowd and be FOMO Billy. Okay, I want to consistently make money. If you was that guy in 2014 and 15, you could have made a lot of money, because you probably made a lot of money to the downside, and then when you saw this bad boy was going up, then you can actually start to buy. Okay, so let's look at the last crash. Okay, let's look at the last crash we had. Okay, shout out to everybody that's here though. Let me see if I see, because now I have the real thing. Let's go on Lord of the Boards. Randy, Honey, what's going on? Dom, who else? Aces, Davina Perry, Glenn, Beamer Bros, Alex, what's going on? Sandy, what's going on, guys? All right, Carl, drop the top. Hey, what's going on? Drop the top. Kelly, what's going on, man? Shout out to Kelly. Listen, so if you was patient and you knew how to read the charts back in 2015, okay, you could have made a lot of money to the downside. Now, this is the best way. This is the best way, guys, to pick out. Like I said, I'm not a bottom feeder, meaning I don't really care about the bottom at all, like trying to pick the bottoms or tops. That's a loser game, in my opinion. But if you want confirmation, this is the type of confirmation that you want. Okay, look at the bars. First of all, look how much selling, okay, that came in. Let's see if I can go. Let's see if I can actually bring in indicators. I want to bring in the volume indicator real quick. Okay, look how much selling came in around that area. So a lot of sellers came in, and then right after that, buyers came in. All right, so we chopped around for the longest, right? We act like we was gonna go back down, right? And we couldn't go back down. We made a lower high. Now you see the difference between this, guys, and where we are in right now. Okay, this was, you know, this is a perfect example of confirmation. All right, and shout out to everybody that's in the building. If you are new to the channel, welcome. Definitely hit that subscribe button if you are tired of losing, and if you are, you know, just a new person that don't know what's going on in the crypto space, definitely hit that subscribe button, because over here I don't really sugarcoat anything. So this is the type of bottom that I'm looking for. All right. For all your guys that always claim that I'm negative when it comes to Bitcoin or cryptocurrencies, guys, I'm not negative. I'm a person that looks at the chart, and the chart's telling me what to say. Okay. So when I come on my live stream and I tell you guys that the market is bearish or the market looks like it is going to continue to go down, that's not me talking, guys. That's not me talking. That's the chart telling me the stuff. Okay. The chart is talking. All right. I'm just relaying the message. All right. So the bottom right here is this is the type of bottom that I'm looking for. Okay. We saw consolidation, right? We made a lower low. We couldn't go below this low right here. And we popped up, right? Notice how we popped up out of this consolidation. And not only popped up, notice how we popped up. We went right back down to the breakout. And we continue to go back up. Okay. So imagine, guys, imagine you, the person that's I'm talking to you, you know, the person that's looking at this live stream right now. Okay. Imagine you decide to say, you know what? I don't want to be XRP Joe or Ripple Bob or FOMO Billy. I want to learn how to become a professional and understand how the market works. All right. I'm tired of buying the bottom because I've been trying to buy the bottom this whole year. I've been trying to figure out when the bottom is going to be, or when the bias is going to come in. I'm tired of that. Okay. I want to learn how things work. Okay. Imagine you say, you know what? I'm going to humble myself. I'm going to learn. Okay. Now, if you learn and you decided to understand how the charts work, and you saw a pattern like this is the pattern. If you came to me and say, Ben, you know, Bitcoin was consolidating, it made a lower low, it popped out, it pulled back, and it's showing support, and buyers came right back in, and I bought it. If you told me that, I would say, you know what? Listen, I have nothing to say. Honestly, that's a good good buy, because now you have confirmation. Okay, you have confirmation, right? You had a lot of sellers came in, and then buyers buy right back up. You had a nice consolidation. You had breakout out of that consolidation. You had a pull back to the consolidation. Then we have buyers buy the thing right back up. And then if you decide to buy, I would say to you, man, listen, that's a great buy right there. Okay, I have nothing to say. That's a great buy. Okay, but if you are a person that's telling me, Ben, I'm buying, this thing is going down, but I'm buying right here, I'm buying right here, I'm buying right here, I'm like, yo, bro, I understand that you love your cryptocurrency. I understand that you love, Tron or Ripple or Litecoin or Ethereum Classic. I understand you love it. I understand that you believe that that's the next big coin or whatever the case is. I truly understand. Okay. But at the same time, bro, you are literally wasting your money right now, because first of all, this thing is going down. We don't know how far it's going to go down. Second of all, we don't even know how long we're going to be in the bear market. Okay. And third of all, bro, that's not even the bottom. You're just buying just because you feel like you're missing out. Okay. Wait for confirmation, and I told you guys, if you are watching my live stream right now, let us be examples. Okay. Let us be examples. Don't let these other, FOMO Billies and these other guys, let those guys actually be the clueless guys. Let us be professionals and wait for confirmation. All right. So when I come on my live stream and tell you guys, hey man, I'm looking to short because this thing looks like it's going to continue to go down, I'm not telling you that because I want to be negative or I want to say things just because. Okay. I'm telling you that because the chart is telling me that. All right. I'm not a guy that's going to waste my money and throw my money, my hard-earned money out like that. Okay. I wanted to see confirmation before I even buy anything. Okay. So, now check this out, because this is the mindset of most people in this cryptocurrency world. All right. This cryptocurrency space. Most people in this market, the reason why they continue to buy the bottom is because they feel that they're gonna miss out. Okay, so let me repeat that again, and I'm gonna go to the chat room. And you guys, if you guys have any questions, let me know. Like I said before, I'm about to go to see if you guys have any questions. All right, shout out to everybody that's here. Hit that subscribe button if you are new to the channel. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm gonna go to your questions soon. Okay, but if you are buying the bottom right now, most likely the reason why is because you feel like you're gonna miss out. But I'm telling you guys, I'm telling you right now, you're not gonna miss out. Okay, so check this out. Imagine you decided to wait for confirmation last time it crashed, right? And let's say you decided to buy Bitcoin right here, or let's say that you even decided to buy right here, which is, let's say it's 470. So you saw Bitcoin bounce off that support level. You saw it consolidate nice, right? This is the daily chart right here. So you saw this thing consolidate nice, and it broke out this consolidation. So let's say that you bought that, right? Let's say that you wasn't even experienced enough to buy this breakout pullback right here. Let's say you wasn't experienced enough to do that, but let's say that you did see this triangle breakout, okay? You bought this. So what number is that, guys? That's let's say it's 485, okay? And this is the whole point I'm trying to get inside your guys' head. The people that's trying to buy the bottom, okay? For the people that think they are missing out. For some reason, most people think they're missing out. This is the whole point I'm trying to make, okay? Bitcoin is at 485, okay? Now, in 2017, where did Bitcoin hit? It hit basically 20,000, right? Okay, so that being said, you're not going to miss out, guys. Okay, for you guys that think you're going to miss out, you think oh my gosh, I got to buy XRP right now, or oh my gosh, I got to buy Tron, or I got to buy Bitcoin right now. Oh my gosh, I have to. Guys, you're not missing out. Okay? Because you have to understand, when this bull run comes, the market is going to go up. Okay? So you're not going to miss out. If you bought Bitcoin at 485 in May 16th, right? Actually, May 26th. I'm lying. What is it? What day was that? Let me see. That day was, yeah. So May 27th, 2016. If you bought Bitcoin at 485 and you sold it, and I'm not saying that you sold it, but let's say that you sold it at $18,000, would you be complaining right now? Would you say to yourself, man, I wish I timed the bottom. I wish I timed the bottom. I wish I was that guy that timed the bottom. Would you say that? No, you wouldn't say that, because you made so much money. You wouldn't care if you timed the bottom, okay? So this is why I'm trying to tell you guys, let's be professionals over here, okay? And not waste money trying to time the bottom every single little green bar that we see, okay? There's money to be made even if we don't catch the bottom. So let me repeat that once again, and I'll go to your questions. There's money to be made even if you don't catch the bottom. So if you catch the bottom late and you see confirmation and you buy that confirmation, you will still make money, okay? So let's go back to the questions. Shout out to everybody that's here. Let me clap, give you guys a round of applause. All right. If you are new to the cryptocurrencies and you didn't understand what I said, I definitely recommend you watch that, what I just said to you. I recommend you watch that at least 3 to 4 times, okay? If that didn't sink in the first time, I recommend you to watch that 3 to 4 times, because I'm tired of people losing money, okay? I'm tired of getting emails from people saying, man, I'm down 100K, or I'm down 30,000, or I'm down 50K. I'm tired of seeing those emails. All right, so if you're watching this video, I want you to watch that 3 to 4 times so that can sink in. All right, so let's go back to the questions, guys. Like I said before, let me see if I have any questions. Let me see. Okay. Not a good time to buy. The trend is bearish. Yeah, exactly. Okay. Whoa, a weird guy just entered the chat room. Or wait, it's just me. Shout out to Bima Bros. Bima, have you been trading lately? Volume is dropping, still bearish. Yeah, definitely. 7K is now solid ceiling. Actually, let me go back to Bitcoin. Okay, let me go back to the regular, the price. Let me close that out. Let me zoom in. All right, so let's go back to these questions. All right, what's going on, Alex? Altcoin said, you are right. I tried to pick the bottom all year and made no money. Shout out to you, man. But the whole point is, at least altcoin out. At least you are admitting, because you have to understand, in order to become successful, you have to be honest with yourself. I honestly, I don't know any successful people that are not honest with themselves. Okay, you have to be honest. Meaning, if you are doing something wrong and you understand that you're doing something wrong, you have to admit and say, yo, you know what, I am doing something wrong. You know, I thought I knew what I was doing, but you know, I don't. Most people in the crypto space will never admit that they are doing something wrong. Okay, most people been losing the whole year and they are okay with that. Okay, for some reason they are okay with losing, and I just shake my head. Okay, but at least you are admitting that you tried to buy the bottom and it didn't work out. So let's see if I see anything. Carl said, hey mate, will back have an effect on the price? Okay, I'm glad you brought that up. Okay, I'm glad you brought that up. Okay, and shout out to everybody that was on the live stream yesterday. We had a troll. Yesterday, and and the troll said, you know, how come you know always negative? Okay, and I told him, listen. He said, you know, how come you're not positive? Whatever. Listen, guys, I am positive. Okay, I'm far from negative. I'm positive. Okay, just because you can't understand or see the positivity doesn't mean that I'm not positive. I'm very positive. I'm actually, you know, so positive because I'm giving you guys the truth. Okay, I'm helping you I'm trying to help you guys save money and not lose money, and I'm helping you guys to either make more money or, you know, see the market, you know, differently than these other clueless people out here. Okay, so that, to me, that's very positive. Okay, I can literally lie to you guys and say, man, you know, guys, buy it, buy the bottom, it's here. Okay, and I could definitely get more views like that, guys. Don't you know my channel could be at least 10K right now, subscribers, if I said to you guys every single video, buy the dips, we going to the moon, guys, this is the bottom. Don't you know? Don't you know how many people unsubscribe from my channel, and I continue to give you guys the truth, not caring about people unsubscribing? Okay, so let's go back to Carl. Okay, because Carl, you know, when you you know, ask a question like that, and I don't give you, and I'm not talking to you, Carl, in general. I'm just talking about, you know, I'm just talking about people. Yeah, I'm talking about people in general, not you, Carl. But when someone asks a question and I give them an answer, and the answer is not what they want to hear, automatically they think I'm talking negative. Okay, but I'm not. I'm just giving you guys my 11 years experience. Okay, now with backed, you have to understand that it's already baked into the price. I know most people just don't understand that, what I just said, but that news is already baked into the price. Okay, so whenever that thing launch, I don't know when it's gonna launch, whatever, what, November, I don't know, but don't expect to see the price go crazy, because you have to understand how news work, okay? If news come out, right? So for example, right, I have a launch, right? And I come out with some news story saying I'm going to launch something, all right? Price is going to react to me saying that I'm about to launch something, okay? So by the time I launch it, that information was already in the chart, okay? So that's why you see a lot of times when you see when people go live, or when you see you know, people come out and they say, okay, we're gonna have something going on this such and such a date, and you see the price go up, okay, and then as soon as they launch, it goes right back down, okay? That's why, because it's baked in the chart already, all right? So let's say that back didn't say anything. Let's say that everybody was quiet about that project. Let's say everybody was quiet about that project, and then all of a sudden in November, boom, it came out of nowhere. Okay, now I would say, okay, most likely we're going to see a pop in price, because out of nowhere that news came out. Okay, but you have to understand, this news been out for the longest, so it's already in the price. It's already in the chart already. All right, so I don't expect any type of some type of, you know, big move when it comes out. And honestly, it's too obvious for the average Joe anyway. Okay, it's too obvious for the average Joe to think that the market is going to reverse just because back is coming in. All right, so the reason why I told you guys, or the reason why I told Carl, I'm not talking negative, I'm actually trying to give you my experience, is because most people, when I answer them, they think automatically, you know, I'm negative. I'm not. Let's go back. I just opened a aggressive short on gold. All right, shout out to Lord of the Boards. What's going on, Davina? I believe I said what's up already. What's going on, Eric? What's going on, both Eric J and Eric S. And guys, keep these questions coming. Keep these questions coming. All right. Keep these questions coming. Lord of the Boards said something that is very good. What do you love more, the coin or your bank account? That's pretty good. That's a good one. Yeah, what guys, what do you love more, making money or loving a coin? Okay, that's a very, very good statement. Okay, let's see what's going on here. I'm going to go all in on XRP, brag. So Leonard, you're going all in XRP. Well, hey man, you know, if you want to do that, that's on you. Okay. Over here though, I definitely don't recommend anyone going all in. But for some reason, if you want to go all in, you know, hey, I can't stop you. Brian said, hey, Big Ben, so you are saying it's time to buy XRP? No. I'm not saying that. Actually, let's go to XRP real quick. I'm not saying that at all. I'm saying, okay, like I said, I'm late to these questions anyway, so I'm late to these questions, guys. So maybe you didn't hear the beginning. So for you guys that's just coming in, okay, for you guys that just coming in, I want you to watch the first, I think, is it the first 20 minutes? I think it's the first 20 minutes or 15 minutes of this stream when I was talking about looking for confirmation before you buy the bottom. Okay. Looking for confirmation before you buy the bottom. So it's the first 20 minutes of this live stream. Go watch it 4, 5, 8 times if you have to. So XRP, no, I'm not looking to buy XRP because XRP is following Bitcoin. XRP did a nice little spike, but it went all the way right back down. So to me, this is not bullish. If you go to the 4 hour, it is setting up some type of flag. we will see what's going to happen if it pops to the upside. But my main concern is not really XRP. Okay, guys, I'm not really concerned about XRP. My concern is Bitcoin. All right, Bitcoin itself is the main coin that will drag everybody down to the dirt. So I have to see what Bitcoin is doing. Okay, I have to. It's just how it is. So I'm not buying no coin right now, including XRP. If you want to buy XRP, hey man, I'm not telling you to buy it. I'm not telling you to, I'm not telling you anything. I'm not giving nobody advice. I'm just saying what I'm doing. Whatever's whatever if you want to do it. XRP is going to 1,000. I don't know if you're trolling right now, Leonard. Leonard, I don't know if you're trolling right now. But I decided to have a button to come, for the trolls. I don't know if I'm gonna keep this button, but this is the button I found right now. Like I said before, this is the button. Right, I might come up with another sound effect, but right now this is the only one I have in my head. Okay, if you guys have any other ideas when you see a troll come in, the sound effect that I want to play, let me know. But this is the only one I have right now. So I'm a loser. So this is the one I'm gonna play when I see a troll come in my live stream. Okay. I'm a loser.
I'm a loser.
So I'm ready for the trolls. All right, so let's go back. I'm trying to read these questions real. Call said 489. I know, right? Juan, I don't know. I don't know anything about that, Juan. BJ said, thanks for the explanation, Ben. Needed to hear that. Hats off for being real, man. Shout out to you, BJ. Yeah, that's the only thing. I can only be real on this thing. Fetch said, Ben, check your email stream after the stream, please. Yeah, Fetch, I emailed you. Check your email. I gave you the Discord link. All right, guys. So if you have any questions, let me know. Ben BVM said, Ben, is you a rapper? I love the way you talk. Yeah, I'm from New York, so I used to. I'm from New York, so I used to, try to rap back in the days. But it was a hobby for me. It wasn't like something that I was trying to pursue or anything like that. When you're in New York. And you have friends that, a lot of people have friends that's in the music industry. So, you're around that stuff. So, you start to freestyle and write rhymes. I used to make beats too. I used to make beats, and I used to, rap. But thanks a lot. You said you like the way I talk. Thanks a lot. Appreciate it. Lennon said people don't want to hear the negative. Yeah. Lennon said Ben Crypto Raptor. Exactly. I appreciate your opinion. No problem. Made 15. You said I'm new to this. Made 15K and lost 14. Yeah. So shout out to Carl. He said he made 15 and he lost 14. So shout out to him. All right. At least he's honest, and at least he wants to learn. So I can't hate on that. I can't hate on that, man. Because most people just don't understand how this market worked. All right. Last year, 2017, the same strategy that you used last year is not working this year. Okay. And the reason why it's not working because the momentum is not up, guys. right? The momentum is not up. The momentum was up last year, okay? How, guys, answer this question, all right? And I'm gonna continue to go to these questions, but answer this question in your head, all right? How I'm able to, right, come on YouTube and automatically switch up and make money either way. So last year I was telling you guys about cryptocurrencies, what I'm buying, whatever. And then this year around March, I told you guys, man, this thing looks like it's going to continue to go right back down. All right. How a person like me is able to do that? Okay, you have to think about that for a second. Okay. The reason why I'm able to do that is because I understand how the market works. I'm not just a guy that say, man, I hope things is going up. No, I'm not. I'm a guy that says, okay, now I see the major trend is not up no more. The major trend is down. Okay, if you pick a 5-year-old and say, hey, 5-year-old, which way Bitcoin is going this whole year? He would say Bitcoin is going down. All right, it's not this is not rocket science, guys. We've been going down for the whole year. All right. And whatever you want to do, that's on you. But I like to make money, so I'm not going to just throw away my money like that. Oh, Lennon said, I'm kidding. All right. Yeah, Lennon, like I said before, I didn't know if you was kidding or not. You said, I'm just busting the XRP. Okay, I hear you. Yeah, Chicago Crypto Hustler said Bitcoin in descending triangle, so I don't know why everyone waiting for Bitcoin to go up. Yes, exactly. All right. And that's a very good point. That's a very good point. And I showed you guys this before, okay? I showed you guys this before, that Bitcoin is... So let me show you this picture. I showed you guys this picture before, but you have to understand that when I repeat stuff on this live stream, guys, you have to understand when I repeat stuff on this live stream, it's people that come on my channel, people on my channel right now that they never heard of me before. So they're new to the channel. So sometimes I have to repeat myself when it comes to information. Okay. So anyway, this is Bitcoin turned upside down. Okay. Because most people don't know how to read the chart unless it's going up. So I guess this is the best way to, show them. Okay, this is Bitcoin right here. This is the Bitcoin chart, just turned upside down. Okay, now let's say that you saw this chart. All right, let's say you saw this chart. Automatically, what you would say? Oh man, this thing looks bullish. It looks like it's about to break out. It looks like it's about to go up and break out of this triangle. I can 100% guarantee you would say that if you didn't know that this chart was upside down. Okay, now most people don't understand that when prices come at a level multiple times, that level gets weaker. Okay, I was listening to a YouTuber today that don't know anything about technical analysis. He was like, well, I disagree with that because I think that once prices go to a level and they reject that level, it gets stronger. Well, that person to me is not they don't do this full time. Okay, now does this work 100% of the time? No, but usually when you see price go to a certain level and stays at that level or try to hit that level multiple times or a lot of times, that means that level is weak and most likely we will break up, or break out of that level. Okay, so this is the Bitcoin chart turned upside down. And this is what we're seeing, guys. This is what we're seeing. So I want to show you. This is crude oil, guys. This is crude oil right here. This is a crude oil chart. I day trade crude oil. Okay. So I want to show you guys something. All right. This is the crude oil chart going up. Okay. Now, let me zoom out a little bit. Okay. Now, if you notice, okay? Similar to what I just showed you, this Bitcoin chart, okay? How you see how it's hitting this line multiple times. All right, so let me circle so you guys can see what I'm talking about. So basically, you got one right here hitting this level multiple times. 2, you got 3, you got 4, you got actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6 times it's hitting this level, and then it finally broke out of that level. So this is a great example of price coming to a level, hitting it multiple times. Usually it means that price level is getting weaker and weaker and weaker, and the price just wants to, it wants to break out of that level. So that's what we're looking at right now when it comes to Bitcoin. I definitely see price breaking out this level. Okay, now the way this thing look, guys, the way it looks right now, it looks like this whole situation that we this whole triangle right here, it looks like it's setting up for some type of bad news. Okay, so what I mean is, it don't have to happen, but I think one day we might wake up and get some bad news, and that bad news is just going to break this whole triangle. Okay, so that's what I think Bitcoin and the whole the whole crypto space, the whales is pretty much waiting for that big news to dump that bad news, because eventually I believe this thing's going to break to the downside. Of course, again, like for anybody that's new to my channel, once again, I'm not talking negative. I'm just giving you guys my 11 years of experience and just basically knowing how to read the charts, what usually happen when you see prices at hitting a certain level, and when it's consolidating. Okay, I'm just giving you guys my experience. I'm not talking negative. Okay, I told you guys all the time, if it was up to me, I will bring Bitcoin or any of these other cryptocurrencies. I would basically, if it was up to me, I would make these coins go up to 100K. I don't care what K. I'll let these coins go to the moon, but it's not up to me, guys. I have to trade what's going on. All right, so let's go to these questions. All right. Ben, do I just wait for better confirmation? Like I said before, I can't get nobody financial advice, but me, yes, I look for more confirmation. I just showed people that catching the bottom, or not catching the bottom, is nothing wrong with that. I just showed you. That's why I said, guys, if you are new to the channel, or even if you're not new, watch that first 20 minutes. I think first 20 to 30 minutes of this stream. Watch it more than once. For the people that always want to pick the bottom, okay? You don't have to pick the bottom. You will still make a lot of money not picking the bottom. Let me see. Let's go back here. Leonard said, Ben, I'm not XRP, no Tron. Yeah, I know, Leonard. It's all good. It's all good, Leonard. I know you're not trolling. So you guys like that? You guys like that? You said you can't play that. That's my tune. Oh, man. That's funny. So you like that tune, guys? Leonard said, Ben, I'm your biggest supporter. Yeah, no problem. What's the best time frame to use for confirmation? I like the daily chart. If I'm, doing a long-term investment. Alex said, Ben, I'm so really focusing just on BTC since my opinion. I hear you, man. You said, and not a lot significant movement. I'm okay. Let me see. Let me read that again. I'm trying to figure out what you're trying to ask. You say you're focusing on BTC. Since, in my opinion, every coin is pointing downwards. Not a lot of different movement. I'm okay. I don't know what you mean. Are you okay? I guess. I'm trying to figure out what you're trying to say, Alex. BMV said, I knew it. You used to listen to rap a lot. Used to listen to rap. Yeah, I still listen to rap. Yeah. Hey, Ben, you have a chance. Could I check your email? Just sent you something. All right. No problem. When I get off this live stream, I definitely. Oh, you said, and you are you off? No, you're not off. It's just that, Bitcoin is not, moving at all right now. Okay. And these other coins are moving. So I'm trying to figure out, the main question. I'm trying to figure out your main question, Alex. Yeah, hit these likes, guys. Hit these likes. And if you are new to the channel, if you don't know anything I just said today, if you're struggling, you don't know anything what I just said today, definitely check out that course that I have, guys. Check out this course that I have. This course literally would basically help you become a professional when it comes to trading. It will show you, how to make money in the bear market, in the bull market. You can read the testimonials. You can, you just basically look at my old videos, read the testimonials. If you don't know how to make money today in this current market, you're basically losing a lot of money or just missing out, period. So this thing will help you. During my live stream, I usually give you guys that discount. So I know some people can't make it to my live stream during the day. I mean, during the night. So you guys be emailing me and say, hey, man, can you basically, give me that discount during the day. So for you guys that don't have it yet, here's that discount that you've been looking for. The original price is $210. All right, and of course that room that course comes with a Discord room, so you can chat with me and my traders. Okay, we post charts, we talk about crypto. But if you have any questions, let me know. All right, so let me see what's going on, Button Sky. Fesh said, I'm sorry, Ben, my bad. What do you mean? What do you mean? Oh, you said you are ignoring all the altcoins because BTC is not moving. All right, so let me ask you this question. You are ignoring the altcoins, meaning that you don't want to take a trade? So answer that question, because I'm trying to figure out what you're trying to say. You say you ignore them. Okay, why you are ignoring them? Are you ignoring them because you feel that if you take a trade to the downside, they won't move? That's what you're trying to say? Because I'm trying to, trying to figure out what you're trying to say. Altcoin Al said, what course? What do you mean, what course? This course right here. What are you talking about? But this course right here is the course that I have. What about TRX Tron? TRX Tron right now is pretty much bearish like these other cryptocurrencies. We can look at the chart, but overall it's not really doing anything the last time I checked it, but we can check it right now. All right. Yeah, so Tron TRX, it's weak, guys. It broke out of this channel right here, went back to the channel, found some type of resistance, and I don't know. It just looks weak. All right, right now. Okay. It's, you know, you gotta, you know, I just gotta wait. Just gotta wait it out. Let's see if I see any questions here. You said big event Tron coming. I don't know. I mean, honestly, it doesn't matter what event, guys. You have to understand. News don't matter. In the we call that in the news don't matter in the bear market, guys. You have to understand that news don't matter. Okay, I remember looking at a live stream the other day, right? And this guy said, "Man, chill out talking about technical analysis. I want more news." Okay, he said, "Chill out talking about technical analysis. I want more news." I was looking at some live stream. I can't remember. Okay, this is why most people are brainwashed. Okay, they want the news. They feel that the news will save them. The news is not here to save you, guys. The news will never save you. You have to save yourself. How do you save yourself? You build skills. How does the rich continue to get richer? They have skills, money making skills. Okay, you have to build a skill. The news will never save you. I don't care about no ETFs. I don't care about BACT. I don't care about Wall Street. I don't care about none of these guys. Okay. I make my money based on my skills. That's how you do it. Okay. Tron TRX been getting news this whole year. Okay. Where Tron TRX, you know, is at right now. We've been getting news this whole year. It has been going down, 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 and down. So stop looking for news, guys. I don't care what coin it is. I don't care if it's Tron. I don't care if it's BTC. I don't care if it's XRP. I don't care what coin is it. Stop looking for the news, okay? Because the news is just that. It's nothing that's going to help you. It's not. Good news is not going to save this market, okay? This market been going down, and we've been getting good news this whole year. So it's going to come to a point where you talk to yourself and say, you know what? This guy has a point, okay? We've been getting good news, but we've been going down the whole year, okay? That's why some people just don't like to hear the truth. All right, so Alex, you have to don't worry if Bitcoin is going sideways. I see what you're talking about. You said Bitcoin is not really doing anything, and you worried this, you know, if the other coins will work out. So yeah, don't worry about that, Alex. If of course I'm not giving nobody financial advice, of course. Okay, so but you know, if you see a setup in, let's say you see a setup in XRP or Tron or whatever, take it, you know. I mean, of course, like I said, I'm not giving you financial advice, but if it was me, I would still take it. So don't worry about that. Everything in this live stream is entertainment only, okay? Entertainment only. You said Zant says he's from Holland. Shout out to you. Okay, you say you changed your name to Eric NL. All right, no problem, Eric. I hear you, Alex. You say you're ready to trade. I hear you. And guys, if you have any questions, let me know. All right. If you have any questions, let me know. Alex said I stopped reading the news. Yeah, because once you once you continue to read the news, it's just gonna brainwash you and then mess you up. It's gonna affect your decision making. All right. Hey Ben, check out the history of the 2,200-day moving average on Bitcoin daily. Good indicator. It could be a good indicator. Okay, but right now I'm just focused on price right now. Glenn said most of the trades have been passed in the past 10 days been altcoins because BTC hasn't moved much, and he's correct. So yes, you don't have to worry about BTC not moving. BTC is gonna go sideways probably until that big news come out. Yeah, buy the new rumor, sell the news this weekend. Hey man, hey, you know how it is. Zant said XRP is going up for sure, man. I hear that. Dom said, Big Ben, looking forward for your day trade course. Would love to see it go on my love to give it a go on my free days. Yeah, shout out to you, Dom. Yeah, I was definitely thinking about that. Because like I said before, day trading will put you in a different bracket, guys. Okay, a different bracket. That's why I don't really care too much about trolls. They can say whatever they want, but they don't understand the life that traders live, because it's probably one of the best things you can do, because it gives you freedom. Okay, you can make money weekly and daily with day trading. Put you on a whole different level. Hey, what's going on, Keith? You said you still at work, peeking for a minute. Here at Big Ben. He said if you are new, get Ben's new course and you will be very glad. Yeah, shout out to Keith, man. Shout out to Keith. He's one of my students. So shout out to him, man. Good to see you on the chat room. Do you have any Ripple? Do I have? You should asking me. Do I have any Ripple? Yeah, I bought Ripple last year, but I sold most of my Ripple because I'm a guy that take profits. All right, I'm a guy that take profits. Okay, I don't care about what Ripple is going to do in the next 5-10 years. I don't care about that. I know for some people that's hard to understand, but you have to understand what I do. I do this full time, so don't really care about what a stock or XRP is going to do the next 10 years. Let me see here. Shout out to Keith. Keith, what time you get off, Keith? What time you get off, Keith? And if anybody got the course, email me that, email me proof that you got the course so I can send you that Discord link. All right. You get off at 4 p.m. You get off at 4 p.m. All right, I hear that. I might go live earlier tonight. I don't know. We'll see. But shout out to all you guys that's here. Let me give you guys a round of applause. I don't see no trolls right now. I was waiting for a troll. I was waiting for a troll today, so I can push that button. I was waiting for a troll today so I could push that button. All right, shout out to Keith making his money. Keith, you on your lunch break, Keith? So yeah, you know, Zant. So let me ask you a question, Zant. How far do you think Bitcoin, not Bitcoin, XRP, how far you think it's going to go, Zant? All right, so Kiefer says he's on his break. All right, Ben had that troll trigger. Yeah, man, I got that troll trigger. Facts. So that's like, what is that? Like, that's like $3. That's like $3 USD. So you think that's the, you think XRP is going to go up €1.50 this year, Zant? You think it's gonna go up 150 this year, Zant? So October 1st, you think XRP is going, all right. That's what's up, man. You know, like I said, I wish you luck. You know, I wish you luck. I wish everybody luck. Anybody that's, you know, like I said before, guys, I wish this market could turn bullish right now, you know, because I know some of you guys are losing a lot of money, okay? But over here, you know, I can't, guys, you know, this is why I have to tell you guys the truth, you know, even though some people don't like it. But guys, I don't wish and hope over here, guys, you know, I just don't. All right. All right. So any of you guys have any more questions before I get out of here? If not, you know, I'll definitely check you guys later. Maybe do a live stream later on. Maybe, I don't know, depending on how I feel. But shout out to everybody that's here, though. Oh yeah, guys, what do you think about this? Tom Lee talking about Ethereum going to 1900, okay, by the end of the 2019. And guys, this is, you know, this is why I shake my head when it comes to cryptocurrencies. You know, I shake my head because you know, because you got people like him. That's why I really don't even try to say anything about, you know, predictions or anything like that, because you got people like him and crypto YouTubers always trying to come up with some type of price prediction at a specific time or date. You know, it gets, you know, it's ridiculous. This guy been wrong so many times. But you have people that don't know any better that will listen to people like him, because they are saying things that they want to hear. New world currency. What are you talking about? What's going to be the new world currency? You talking about Ripple? XRP being a new world currency? I don't know what you're talking about. Hey, what's going on, Trinidad? He said, hope to catch you again live. Yeah, man. Hey, man, like I said before, Zant, I wish you all the best. I wish you all the best. I hope, you know, your dreams come true. I hope your dreams come true. Okay. But over here, I told you that I really don't care about hoping and wishing. All right. Yeah, Timely talking about 1900 Ethereum by 2019. Okay, and this is why I try to tell my subscribers, just stick in the now. Okay, stick in the NOW now. Okay, what your coin is doing now. When you start to go crazy with the future, it could mess up your head. So since you guys don't have any more questions, I'm about to get out of here. Keith said it's like the blind leading the blind. These news stories predicting price. Yeah, man, it is. It is. Definitely is. But I'm about to get out of here. Oh man, this is some funny stuff. Did you hear anything about Xrapid? We mean lately? I don't know what you're talking about lately. I don't know. But overall, yeah, I heard about Xrapid, and like I said before, it's nice. It's nice that we have a cryptocurrency coin that's trying to do something in the real world. It's nice. But that's all it is. It's nice. Okay, I want to see action. I want to see action. I want to see numbers. I want to see everything. Okay. I'm a realist. I'm a realist, guys. It's just what it is. I want to see numbers. Give me the facts. Like I said, I wish everybody luck, though. I never want to hate on anybody. Okay. Never want to hate on anybody. I hope it works out for you. Trust me. I hope it works out for you. But me personally, no. I mean, I need to see more. Dom said Tom Lee is on meth. Yeah, I know, right? Tell me about it. Tom Lee is on meth. Tom Lee talking about did Tom Lee said 50K by the end of this year? Was it him? Was it Tom Lee said 50K by the end of this year? Oh my gosh, man. Like, this is why you have to be guys, this is why you have to be careful. You have people like this, right? The blind leading the blind, just like Keith said, right? People will come out with any number. Like for example, today I can come out with a video saying Bitcoin is going up to 6,000 and 60,800 or something like that. A weird number like 589, right? And people will start to believe me. Okay, so because most people want the market to go up, which is understandable. Okay, but just because you want the market to go up, you don't have to believe everybody when they say these ridiculous numbers. You don't have to believe them, guys. This is why I do these live streams, because I want you guys to become professionals. $20,000 Bitcoin. Listen, man. Zant, I don't care about numbers. I don't care. Guys, you have to understand. I want all you guys to make money. Okay. So if Bitcoin goes to 100K, I will be happy for most of you guys. But you have to understand how I operate. Oh, as a professional, as a full-time trader and swing trader, guys, I care less if Bitcoin goes to 2,000 or if Bitcoin goes to 50K. It doesn't hurt. It doesn't affect me at all. Okay, and I'm trying to get you guys to that certain level, but some people will probably never get to that level, which is cool. I'm cool with that. But at least I try to tell you guys, hey, man, there's other ways to make money. Okay. I don't really care about numbers. When people say 589, that doesn't, Like, I don't really care about that because that's just fairy tale to me. All right. It's not reality. And I like to focus on the now. All right. The now, the NOW. Okay. I hate to play with the future too much. All right. I hate to play with the future too much because I don't know the future. Okay. But what I can tell you this, guys. All right. What I can tell you as an experienced trader, what I can tell you is if you work on your nows, okay? If you work on your NOWs, your nows, okay, your future would be much better. Right? And it would be a little bit predictable. Okay? But if you don't work on your now, then you shouldn't be even talking about what's going to happen 6-10 years from now. Okay, no one knows what Ripple is going to do, XRP or Bitcoin or Tron. No one knows. So me personally, I don't focus on that. I don't focus on the future too much, because it's not going to help me. So guys, if you have any more questions, let me know. I'm gonna give you guys 5 more minutes. If you have any questions, let me know. But you have people like him messing up the crypto community. Okay. It's sad though. It's sad. Sad. But it is what it is. People have to learn. People have to learn. All right, so let me see if I see any more questions here. So your next video is about day trading? No, it's about we're going to talk about crypto. Thanks for learning. Appreciate it. Yeah, no problem. I day trade the financial markets. Okay, so a lot of people want me to come out with a course, so I might do that because it takes time to explain everything. But right now I'm just talking about crypto. Dom said BTC going down or what? Oh man, that's funny. Dom is funny. Another thing I wanted to talk about, guys, is another possibility. Actually, I'll talk about it later when I go live. But BTC right now is showing resistance at this level, so we will see if the sellers come in. Okay, we have to wait. Will we have a bloody weekend? I don't know, but we just have to wait. I know that this whole chart looks like it's setting up for some type of big news to drop. Okay, that's what it looks like it's setting up for. Okay, so this thing could shoot up or go down. Okay, the way it looks like it's trying to go down. So I'm guessing more to the downside. But this chart is setting up, Bitcoin chart is setting up for some type of big news to come out. And when that big news come out, whew, man, it's gonna get ugly, or it's gonna get crazy. Put it like that. You say you want to learn more. Well, if you want to learn more, I have this for you, Zant. I have this. Okay, if you want to learn more, I have this. Okay, what you see in front of you is my crypto course. Okay, that helps you swing trade the market. Okay, if you don't know what swing trading is, it's just basically taking the pullbacks of the market. Okay, if you look at the market never goes up in a straight line or down in a straight line. All right, so you take advantage of these swings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You know what I'm saying? Like these swings right here, you can always take advantage of these. And if you go to the 4-hour chart, you will see more swings. Okay. Now, once you take this course, you will see that you can actually make money in a bear market and a bull market. Okay, that's the beauty of this course. Best of both worlds. It's only 110. The original price is 210. And the reason why you're getting it for 110 right now because I'm on live. As soon as I get off a live stream right now, it's going right back to 210. So that's your only, that's the only thing I can say right now to you. If you want to learn about day trading, that's another story. Okay, that's another time. But I'm talking about cryptocurrency right now. I don't day trade cryptocurrencies. I only swing trade them. That would probably be your best bet. Anybody have any plans? Anybody have any plans this weekend? You're gonna chill out, chill with family? Any crazy plans this weekend? Yeah, so today I traded crude oil today. Okay, I traded the crude oil today. The futures market. All right. I was done early today. I could have kept trading. I could have kept trading today, but I was done early. And pretty much this thing was just going up like crazy. All right. Let's go to 5 minutes. Yeah, so you see this crazy spike. All right. Man, I wish I kept on trading, but the reason why, it's Friday. It's Friday, so I was like, you know what? I made my money and I made it on my first trade, and I was like, you know what? I'm done. Okay. It's Friday. I'm gonna chill out. But I was in the market. If you look at this, actually, let's go to the 1 minute. Let's see if I go to the 1 minute. All right, so let's zoom out a little bit. So you guys, if you guys see this, all right, we had a nice little consolidation going on right here. All right, and then the market basically broke out with this consolidation. All right. And I just took a nice little fake breakout. That's it. It was a nice quick trade, man. Literally, like this trade. Let me see. I took it right here. So this thing lasted. Let me see. It lasted for. Let me see. 26. So my trade lasted for 10 minutes, guys. So 10 minutes. All right. So my whole day was based on 10 minutes, guys. And this is the level that I want you guys to get to. But some people are just so close-minded anyway. So that's why I don't even talk about certain things on my live stream. Some people are just close-minded. But, this is a level I want you guys to get to where you just don't have to worry about anything. Most people are so brainwashed these days. They think that they want the government to save them. They want the ETFs to save them. They want BAC to save them. They want all these guys to save them. But I'm here to tell you, man, you don't need nobody to save you. You can save yourself, okay? The market is probably the best thing you can do because the reason why I love the market is because it's an even playing field, right? It doesn't matter who you are. You can be black, white, orange, purple, okay? When I open up an account, okay, they don't ask for my race, right? When I open up an account, they don't say, okay, your race. No, they don't care about that, okay? They don't care about your high school education. They don't care about none of that stuff. You open your account, boom, you have the money, you fund your account. Now everything is up to you. Okay, so now you have to just basically work on your skills. And that's why I love this game, because it's all about you. You can't blame nobody, okay? If you're losing money, it's because of you, all right? Most people don't understand that. Most people want to blame, like for example, most people in the crypto space, they want to blame the whales. Oh man, the whales are manipulating the market, okay? But they don't want to blame themselves. They want to blame everybody else but them, okay? But anyway, so this thing went up, shot up. If I kept in the market, I just kept buying this thing, man. This thing was just shooting up. I mean, literally, like, there's no reason to sell this market, all right? But yeah, that was going on in the CL when I day trade. So I took a nice little fake out breakout on that trade. All right, so let me see if I see any questions here. My three sons almost getting birth. I'm trying to read that right. I don't know. My 3 son almost getting birth. I don't know. Somebody in your family's giving birth. That's what you're trying to say. Josh said he's heading to the football game on Saturday. All right, looking forward for that. That's what's up. Keith said I'm off weekend but chilling, reading the charts, have some homework. How about you, Ben? Yes, football season. Actually, I'm chilling. I think basketball starts. I'm more a basketball guy. I love basketball. I've been playing basketball all my life. Unfortunately, I can't play right now because my freaking knees right now is hurting. But I'm gonna try to get back to playing ball probably, hopefully next year. But I think basketball starts, the preseason starts today, so I'm gonna watch some basketball. Then tomorrow chill with my daughter. Lord of the Boy said having a barbecue party on Saturday. All right, shout out to you. You said your 8-year-old nephew is going to his go-kart lessons. That's what's up, man. Yeah, when I used to live in New York, I actually went go-karting, and it's pretty fun for my birthday. Let me see. Man, Ben, I can't wait to make money like that. I have 2 jobs now, no time to live. Sheesh. Keith, let me ask you a question. You have 2 jobs because you changed jobs, or what's going on? Because before you didn't have 2 jobs before. Where can I trade oil on JetFax? I think you could, but to be honest with you, eventually you want to go on a futures platform, so you can open up a futures a future account. There's a lot of brokers out here. I have multiple brokers. Okay. You can go to a futures brokers account. Site, and that's the best way to trade crude oil, because if you trade it on a forex broker, you have to deal with the spreads and stuff. So your wife is giving birth. All right, so shout out to Zant. You said your wife is giving birth, Zant? That's what's up. Because I didn't read that right. That's why, I didn't read that right. You said, I don't know, my 3rd son almost getting birth. So your wife is having the 3rd son. All right, so shout out to you, man. Congratulations. Congratulations. Soul sister, what's going on? I have plans to study. Yes, thanks a lot. Hoping for some wine and kiteboarding. All right, that's what's up, Lord of the Boards. You said you're trying to save up some money, and my wife isn't working to stay caught up on bills and save up to save more to trade to this. So you started a new job so you can save up more so you can do this full time. Okay, I understand. I definitely understand. I definitely understand the process because when I was starting this thing, I had to save up a lot of money too. So I definitely understand what you're talking about. So Zan said almost. Yeah, congratulations, man. That's a beautiful thing. Okay, giving your wife is giving birth to your new son, so that's a good thing, man. Congratulations. But shout out to everybody that's here, man. Thanks a lot. I definitely appreciate you guys coming through. I might do another live stream. I don't know, later. We'll see. But I didn't get no trolls today. I wish I got some trolls because, like I said, I got my buttons ready, guys. I got my buttons ready. I'm a loser. I got my buttons ready, guys. I'm ready. I'm ready for all these trolls. Ah, man. I could sample that too. Like if I was still making beats, I would take the sample and I would put a beat on that. I could sample that. That's a dope sample right there. I'm a loser. Oh man. I have my full-time job and just got another one evening cleaning commercial. Yes. Yeah, you told me about that. Going to listen to you. All right, man. Shout out to Keith, man. Keep your head up, Keith. Don't worry though, Keith. Don't worry. Don't worry. You will get to a level where you don't have to work no more. So don't worry about that, man. What I did was when I was working a job, I always call my job, even if it was a full-time job, I always call that job a part-time job, okay? I was like, yeah, this job is part-time to me. Okay, so always keep that in mind. Tell yourself that that's a part-time job. It's not your full-time job, okay? Your full-time job is to make money from these markets. All right, so shout out to you, Keith. Keep your head up. Zan said make a rap. Bobby said that would be a dope sample. Yeah, I know some Kanye West joint. Yeah, I know exactly. Oh man. All right, so guys, thanks a lot for stopping by. I appreciate it. I might see you guys later. But improve. Like I always say, guys, improve. That's the best way to get stronger and be on top. Improve. Never stop learning. And I'll talk to you guys later. Make sure you have a good weekend. If I don't do a live stream later, make sure you have a good weekend. And talk to you guys later.